Alright, ladies and gentlemen, finally get to open up some packs. Gonna open some of these bad boys. This event, the card art, looks amazing and whatnot. But, I don't know, the cards for, if you want to compete in the game are not that great. So, probably just gonna save my gold players and whatnot for the next event. Hopefully, they bring out some better cards. But, yeah. Let me know in the comments section down below, what you guys think about those cards, for the MSPs, for the, the highlight kind of event. Because what they released was the Sedin twins. What was that card? The Sedin twins, Subban, and Patty Kane. Patty Kane is definitely has end game speed and whatnot, but it's 5'10", so it's is what it is. We got an 80 overall on that one. Nice. Might do my own team builders, make some team builder cards, because those 98 overalls are going to be something else. Those are going to be end game potentially, so might go for the team builder stuff, or at least try to get one of them. Like one of the 98, so I'd have to build like 2 team builder guys. 2 of the 94s, which is going to be a lot, but we could do it. 4 gold player pack. As you guys may know, we pulled the Giroux all-star card. Lucky he was a 95. He's on my left side, but he's right-handed, That's what you do. I also pulled Daniel Briere. He's just kind of like the 4th liner, just for the synergies. Got an 81 overall on that. Not bad. Yeah, I don't know. Honestly, the only good card that I would honestly want is just the Mario Lemieux, man. He's 6'4" and just brolic, Good enough speed, can shoot. I feel like if you have a 6'4" player, it's good enough, or 6'3" at least, I guess. The event from the last event was a lot better with Lindell and the other defenseman. Yeah, we did get a 90 overall defenseman. Probably will use him over Seth Jones now, because you guys don't know, you do get a free 90 overall since the last time I uploaded. But yeah, let's see what we get, man. Five minutes for our daily pack. Not bad, 75. NHL player, we'll take that. Base pack. Get an NHLer, we'll take that. Give us all NHLers and I'll be happy. And we didn't. We get 2. That's bad. Open up premium pack. Boy Joel's online, still has the numbers. Seems like that hasn't been fixed yet. I was pretty annoyed about that. I remember him talking about that. As a Leafs fan, there has been lots of rumors going around that, you know, due to Muzzin being on LTIR, you know, that's like 5.6 million in cap space. That we're probably going for like a forward or something. I still think we need a defenseman, a right shot defenseman. I think we have enough depth. I think Justin Hall definitely needs to go. For forwards, I think we're perfectly fine, to be honest. Unless like you want to get like a top 6 forward that can play with, you know, Matthews or whatever. I don't know. And put Bunting on the 4th line with Spezza and Simmons and be that grindy kind of 4th line. But I don't know. Get 83 overall. I don't know if you could get like both like a top 6 forward and a I don't know. And like I don't know, there's rumors of JT Miller and shit like that. I'm not too sure, man. Not too sure. Not too sure about that. Alright, so we got a bunch of... We'll just open the blue ones, I guess. So we get one NHLer, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that was a shitty pack. We haven't even opened up a purple yet, which is wild. Getting 84, okay. Got 184, that's the highest overall so far. Open up. We get some NHLers, nothing special, really. Oh, we got something, boys. We got something. Oh, all right. Let's move over. See what we get. What is it? Ah, what a letdown. David Pasternak. What the fuck? David Pasternak. 86 base card. Wow. Get absolutely shafted in here unless we get a power-up collectible, which we do not. Alright. Jumbo premium pack. Get absolutely... Oh, we get a power-up collectible. Let's go. I was gonna say we get absolutely shafted, but we get a power-up collectible. We'll take those. We'll take those. Players pack. See what we get. Absolutely dirt. Wow, that was terrible. Open up the jumbo NHL players pack, so it's only NHL players. So we get absolutely nothing. Wow, 84 overall. Okay. Open up another NHL. Actually, let's open up the other untradeable mega pack. 4 plus. Or 80 plus, and we get absolutely nothing. We get 84, some gold, 5,000 gold coins. All right, 1,000 gold coins, some random crap, some celebrations. All right, got some coins, I guess, but I don't know. Let's open up the mega pack. See what we get. Get absolutely nothing. Do we get a power-up collectible or anything like that? No, we do not. Nothing special there. And now to the final pack, and then we'll open up our daily pack. Let's go slow on this one. An 82 Timo Meyer. Pavel Zacha. And we're getting absolutely shot on. Absolutely nothing, so... yeah, absolutely nothing. Gonna open up our daily free pack as well. Get our coins and seasonal stuff. Definitely gonna add Dylan Larkin to the team very soon. How many coins do I need? Basically need like 13 something thousand coins, which I'll get after opening those packs. There'll be a lot of stuff I can sell. Show you guys my roster. We've built Jokinen, 9-2, really good center, really like him. We got McDavid, fast, Barzell, really fast. Got Rantanen, big player, then two pretty good, solid, speedy, good players. You got Gretzky and Giroux. Then we got our big player in Linden, and then you got Jack Eichel and Jason Peterka, the free card. And then on our fourth line, we got the Daniel Briere that we pulled. He's just there because why not? I don't think anyone's going to buy him anyway. Then you got Anze Kopitar that I bought, and then the Patrick Kane. Definitely Patrick Kane's going to be gone. Jason Peterka will go down here. And we'll put Dylan Larkin here in the third line. Once we get him upgraded, let's see, can I upgrade him? Oh, we can upgrade our Dougie Hamilton now. Let's do that. Get to 90 overall. Definitely want to get him to 92. We'll go to 92 speed. Yeah, pretty cool. Get well-rounded if we want, or gladiator, which we're gonna keep gladiator. So let's do that. Still have this Bowen Byram card, still very good. Shut down. Pretty decent speed. We got this Alexander Alexiev, still has great abilities with truculence, shutdown, and quick pick. And then we have Seth Jones, 6'4", has great abilities as well. We could stick him up if we want, but I think we're going to move on from him. We do have a 90 overall player. Let's just take a look, because he's 86. We got this free 90 overall player, and we could get truculence and shut down on him, and we just put distributor or spark on. It goes to 92. He is 5'11" though. I don't know. Is 5'11", small player, or a 6'4", would probably put him with Hedman. Let's see what he has. He has Heart and Soul and Bombarded on. Yeah. So the thing is, you could get him to 90 speed, but it's not 92, it's 91. And yeah. And then show you guys the head coach. We got Andy McGee here, and then Vasilevsky. Still hasn't got an upgrade yet, which is surprising. Probably we'll see something from, the stadium games or whatever. So hopefully we'll see an upgrade from him. I would have put light work on, but since they upgraded all these abilities, it's pretty annoying. Show you guys the abilities. Basically just still kept the the defensive abilities, post to post, there, shut down, still shut down, and I don't think I have any offensive abilities, just because the defensive abilities are just so broken. I feel like nothing. Yeah, see, nothing. Dougie Hamilton, nothing. If I was able to, I'd probably get quick draw or something. But that's about it. So that's the team. Probably gonna play some squad battles. Be bored out of my mind again. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the pack opening. Didn't pull shit, but one purple at least. So yeah, peace.